Oh,
intro.
Yo.
I'm excited to eat this, bro.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry as hell.
Yeah, I didn't really eat anything today.
This is Uncle Ray's barbecue, by the way. Out here in Newmarket, we got the spicy habanero sauces. We got the, I think this is like a mayo sauce.
Looks like it's spicy mayo.
Spicy mayo, maybe. And this is hot and honey. I love hot and honey. You should try the hot and honey.
I don't like hot honey.
You got some chicken, you got some cornbread, you got some pickles. I got this burger. Look, it doesn't look good. Alright?
It looks like, you know when they do the Big Mac advertisements, right? And then when you find the Big Mac, and you're like, oh, what the hell is this shit?
Yo, it does look like that. You're right. I think it's gonna taste better than it looks. You know one of those?
Oh, 100%.
Alright, let's try it. Let's try it. I'm actually curious to see how this tastes. Or I'm gonna have to call up Uber Eats, you know?
Give me plain bread with this. With a charred lemon.
What the hell are you gonna do with a charred lemon?
I don't know, put it on the chicken, I guess. And some pickles. What, am I supposed to make a sandwich out of this?
I guess so. Yeah. Got some good old fries. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, burger's whack. The burger looks bad and it tastes
I'm not gonna
bad.
lie, this is the habanero sauce, right?
I think both of them are habanero.
They both look different, bro.
I know. Try them. I don't know. Here, actually, go with the fries and try. This is. Alright, that's like regular Frank's Red Hot.
Yeah, this is hot shit.
Yeah? Oh shit. Oh fuck. I'm gonna be screwed. I'll try it. Ooh.
Yeah, it kicks.
You know that? Yeah, Shaq meme? Where he has the wing and he's like, ooh.
Ooh. Let's try this with the sauce.
Okay. Good. Good. Yep. I'm gonna add some flavor to my burger because it's something it's missing. Hot and honey.
I think a lot's missing with that.
It looks like the burger is missing.
It looks like they just gave me half Costco rotisserie chicken with 2 pieces of white bread. But the chicken's good. It's better than that, but still. Expecting some more, you know?
Hot and honey definitely helps. Let me see if this helps. Some of that spicy mayo. Yeah, that's a good sauce. That's a good sauce. It's growing on me.
You can tell, bro. You're like almost done.
I'm also very hungry.
Yeah, same.
But you know what? We should have got some like beef ribs or something like that. You know?
Or pork ribs.
Or pork ribs. Why not beef ribs? Beef ribs are good too.
I swear most ribs are pork ribs.
Really?
Yeah. Isn't like a beef's rib like this big?
They're bigger, yeah. You can still have pork beef ribs.
Really? I didn't know that. I thought like all ribs that you usually get is pork.
Really? Yeah.
That's what I thought. I don't know.
Ooh, hot and honey.
Was it too much hot?
Give me that habanero.
Okay.
Let me try it. Try it in here. You gotta be careful with this, bro. Cause it could fuck up your whole day. Ooh.
You can handle your spice, though, can't you?
Yeah, but.
See how hot it is?
I don't think it was hot. It went down the wrong bite.
Sounds like a problem you would have.
Look, the burger wasn't bad, but it wasn't good either. It wasn't up to my standards of burgerness. You know what I mean? You know what I mean by burgerness? Look, like, Chick-fil-A is bad.
It is?
Yeah.
I thought Chick-fil-A is amazing. Isn't that why people stand outside it for so long?
Heavily overrated. It's so man, it's crazy overrated.
Or is it just because that Canadian version of that isn't as good?
No, I never had the Canadian version.
Really?
I only went in the States, and the States one's bad.
Really? I like that.
Yo, it was just like... It's a glorified Popeyes.
Really?
Yeah. It makes most of its money off sauces. The actual product isn't good. Shake Shack? No, Shake Shack's good.
Shake Shack's my favorite.
Yeah, Shake Shack's probably way better. Did you see the trailer for the new Netflix movie?
What?
It has Tom Hiddleston in it, Robert Pattinson.
Oh, is it that
The devil.
the war one?
Yeah. Oh.
It's not Tom Hiddleston. I thought it was Johnny Depp.
What?
Yeah.
You're tripping. We definitely watched the different thing.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, so I haven't seen it. What's it about?
It's I don't know, man. To be honest, the trailer was all over the place, but it seems like it's about murder and like church.
Murder in Church?
Yeah, something like that. What's up, guys? I'm editing the video right now, and I just realized my battery died halfway through the mukbang. It was okay though. It was decent enough barbecue. Let us know if you guys want us to eat anything. We'll literally eat anything at this point because we're always hungry. So yeah, take care.
Yo, what's up? Thanks for watching our video, and if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and watch our other videos.
Pick 'em right there.